Alright, so today we're going to take and clean up this engine bay. We've got oil all over the valve cover, so we're going to replace the valve cover gasket. And then while we have it off, we're going to give it a nice little paint job and just try to get this whole engine bay looking nice. So let's do it. Step one, blow all this dust and pollen off that we can with a compressor. Then we'll soak it down and degrease everything. That's something. See, look. Not bad. Let it dry off and then do some other stuff. Yeah. Alright, so this is all dry now. It's been a couple hours. It looks pretty good. All the metal's cleaned up pretty good. The plastics look pretty black. But we still went and we got some of that black Trim Restore stuff. So we'll just hit all these plastics with it and hopefully that'll make it look even better. So now we're gonna take and pull this off too. Get to cleaning it up and painting it. So here we go.
Next to Hudson Yards, it's crowded on the weekdays from April to May. Parse apart a troubled heart from any train. Sing about it in LA. Big clouds in the rear view. You start humming along to the first verse of your favorite song that you quote each day with the words all wrong. So call me when the world looks bleak. I love you, but it's hard to believe. With every day we'll start to see the rest is metamodernity.
Okay, so we put masks on because there's a bunch of aluminum dust in the air. But now we're just going to take some isopropyl alcohol and wipe this whole cover down. Okay, we don't need to put much. That's enough, that's enough.
All beneath the pinkish sky from the wildfires, which mantle the horizon line. From the outset, it's been hard to tell why we feel this down when it all bodes well. So call me when the world looks bleak. I love you, but it's hard to.
Okay, so we just got this all masked off. We also sanded up the letters so that when we're done we can scrape the paint off and have some nice shiny silver letters. The paint we're going with, an anodized blue. So this is like a tint coat, so it's like a colored clear coat. So we first spray down some silver paint, and then this goes on top of that and it makes it look like anodized metal. So I'm hoping it'll look pretty good.
Overspray system engaged. Dang.
That's shiny.
You can actually see what
Dang, we should just leave it like this. It looks nice. Doesn't look like much now, but damn, that's gonna look good. All right, second coat. Now in the meantime, we're gonna start putting on that plastic trimmer store stuff.
And I've been thinking that I can't quite get enough time on the inside of the cycle that you spin with gravity and dust. I'm falling in between the planets and the sun.
I mean, I think that's how it's supposed to look.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I think that was pretty good.
Yeah.
That's around you.
Oh, wait.
That's around you. That orbit that's around you.
All right, so that silver base coat is all dry now. It actually looks really good, like almost like just put this on the car. All right, so let's spray this thing blue now.
Satellites that I can't seem to keep track of. I get the feeling I'm not quite made of the right stuff to float between the rings.
Couple more coats.
It's the orbit that's around you. That orbit that's around you.
All right, so this thing still needs a handful more coats. Kind of looking streaky and stuff now, so we're just gonna keep painting it till it's even. Once this is done, we're gonna pick it up tomorrow and clear and do all that. So here we go. All right, so I spent till midnight last night painting this thing to the best of my ability, and it looks pretty good from in here. It doesn't look too streaky or uneven or anything, but now I have to do the horrifying process of taking it out into the sunlight and seeing if it actually looks good or if I'm gonna have to lay down some more blue paint or something. So I guess let's do that. That actually doesn't look that bad. It looks better outside than it did inside. So now I'm gonna take a razor blade and scrape the blue paint off these letters so they're all shiny and metally, and then clear coat this thing. Sweet. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I think we're pretty much at the stage where this thing can go back in. So I just have to start prepping all the surfaces and get the RTV and stuff on, and then we should be good to put it back on. Look at that. That looks sharp, man. Okay, so now we're gonna take and start it and back it out of here. Make sure we didn't, spray water into our engine or our connectors or anything, and hopefully it just still starts.
Did you ever check that the plugs were in right like I asked?
Okay, I had timing wrong. Okay. Okay. Sweet. It still goes. Well, it still starts. There's our final result. Squeaky, stinking clean blue.
It's too nice for the car. And the car's pretty nice.
It actually looks awesome from 5 feet away. Oh my goodness, that looks good on camera. Aside from it being on fire. Looks awesome. Yeah, dude.
Well, I guess with that, see you next time.
I don't know what we'll do next. You think we should fix this?
No, that's fine. We don't even talk about that.
I was nervous then, fairly awkward now. Leave the speakers loud.